How to make group chat on Messenger. If you want to make a group chat on Messenger, it is very simple to do so. What we have to do is, we have to go ahead and then launch the Messenger application first. So let's say that we would like to create a group chat. To create it, tap on the edit icon, which you can see from the very top right hand side, and there you can find the option that says group chat. So tap on the group chat button. Now you can simply choose to add the people that you want to this particular group chat right there. And once you've done that, you can simply give this group a certain name. So let me go ahead and then give it a name. Once I'm done, I can tap the create button and the group chat has been successfully created. This way I can make group chat on Messenger. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.